Hi, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can have a chat with a colleague or with a group of people using Google's chat. First question is, how do you access the chat? You access the chat either by clicking here on the Google waffle and navigating towards the chat icon you can see here, or of course, you can just go ahead and type chat.google.com and this will lead you to your chat application. Now, what do you need to do to have a chat with one person? Well, first of all, you can search for that person over here by clicking on this section and just type in that person's name. Here, I want to have a chat with Julie, so all I need to do is type in her first name and her contact will appear here at the bottom. By clicking on her name, I can just go ahead and type in, "Hi, Julie," and that message has just been sent out to her. Now, there are a couple of things that you can do here as well. You can turn on and off the version history. So if I click here on this toggle, my message will be deleted after 24 hours, for example. I can also choose to send a file to Judy. I can either do that by uploading a file that's stored on my computer, or of course, I can just share the file that is saved on Drive by clicking on the Drive triangle. I can access Drive here. So I have all of the Drive sections, my Drive, share drives, shared with me, recents. And of course, you have an upload section as well. If I want to have a video conference with Julie, instead of going in Hangouts Meet and setting up a meeting from there or from my Google Calendar, I can do it directly from here. I just click on the video conferencing icon that you saw over here, and this will just immediately send her a link. We now both just need to click on this and this will lead us to our Hangouts Meet. We just need to click on Join Now and we're in the same call. So that is super practical if you do want to have a face-to-face conversation. And of course, emoticons, because nobody can survive without them anymore these days. Now, if you do want to have a group conversation, you can do that as well. To create a new group, you click here on the section at the top left and you click on group message. This will enable you to create a new group. Now, I want to create a group with Jeremy and Michael, for example, and then I just click on message. And there you go, our group has just been created. The group will appear under the people section that you see here. And the functionalities remain the same in terms of like the history and sending files and so on and so forth. And we can also have group conversations just by sending the video meeting link as I've shown you before. Now, there's just one more thing that I want to show you. In terms of a discussion or a group conversation, you can click on the three dots and you can choose to start this conversation. If you do want to start a conversation, you click on the three dots and you click on Start. That way, those most used conversations or maybe contacts that are very important to you, you can place them in the start so that they appear always at the top. So here, if my conversation with Jeremy and Michael, this is a conversation that I have constantly with them, I want them to appear at the top. I can do that as well. Also, same thing for Julie. If I do speak to her a lot and I want her to appear at the top, I just click here and I give that a star. As you saw, and when you click on the three dots, you can also choose to turn off notifications for that specific chat. Same here for a chat with only one person, you can turn off the notifications as well. You can, of course, choose to block Julie, for example. I can also try to hide her conversation and we can delete our conversation as well. That's not always possible in a group setting. For example, you can just hide, you can't really delete the conversation that you've had. I hope this video is useful. There are other videos explaining rooms and bots, so go ahead and check them out. Have a great day. Bye.